Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a video refill using the ink splash overlay in CapCut. So first, just start a project with a main video and then click on overlay and add the ink splash overlay video. Like this, click on add, then fit the size and then go to cutout, Chroma Key, and here drag the color picker into the blue color. Adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Then click on the check icon. Here, if you want, you can click on the overlay video, the ink splash, and speed up it to your liking. Okay, for example, like this. I'm going to speed it up again. Okay, so now it become like this, and after that export the clip. Now you just need to start a new project with a different video. Okay, I'm using this videos right here. Now add a keyframe to where you want the ink splash to begin, and then move forward a bit, then zoom the clip in like so. Go in between the grabs and go in between the keyframe and select the grabs. Select the ease out one. Click on the check icon. And now click on overlay. And add the video that you just saved. Okay. Now click on go to cutout, Chroma Key, and remove the green screen. Click on the check icon and then place the video to where you want. Okay, so it will become like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to comment, subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon, and click on the thanks. Bye.